Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Reason. Today I am making a beautiful pen with beautiful color combination, silver glitter and black color, acrylic paint, black acrylic paint I have mixed in resin. Now I pour it silver glitter. What a beautiful color combination. I am making it for my student. I think she will like it, and I think you are also enjoy. Let me show you what is the result. You can make just like that beautiful pens with the help of resin. Yes, I made it. These are beautiful color combination pens. And what's about it? This is I have made. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.